Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Threads account with all its data. Now I'm going to show you this on a mobile device, so let's get straight into it. The first thing is open up your Threads application, and from out here you want to go to the button right of your screen where the profile picture appears. Now from out here you're inside your profile and you want to go to the top right corner where the three stripes are. Now from out this window we want to hop onto the account settings right below privacy, and here on the fifth option we see deactivate or delete profile. Now here we have two options. One is to deactivate the account and the second is to delete the account permanently. Now if you want to deactivate it, what will happen is it will make your account invisible and unable to use for whenever you log back on. Now, if you want to permanently delete it, simply press delete account, and here you can put in your password and your Threads account will be gone for good. Now, that's it. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.